Hey guys, so I already did my makeup. I think my contour is not too great today. Maybe I should take these off because there's a glare and that's really annoying. Filming a different part of the house, filming in my dining room and the kitchen's behind me. You guys want to see it? Oh, I love my kitchen. It's so nice. Okay, wanted to come on because I was thinking I was putting on my mascara and obviously I don't have my contacts in today. And I got some like on my upper eyelid and I was like inside and it was like making my eye blur and I went to go like take it out and literally touched my eye and I was like irrational eyeball fear. So I wanted to tell you guys about my irrational eyeball fear that I have. So I think I've talked about how I have an irrational fear of like the gynecologist and pretty much like doctors in general. Like I know everybody's like everybody has that fear, but like I go into panic attack mode, like petrified, wobbly knees, can't think about it. I feel like I look like I have bags under my eyes, but it's like so bright. It's actually hard for me to keep my eyes open. Anyway, back to the story. So when I was in high school, I remember, I think the teacher's name was, it was a math teacher. It was freshman year. Miss something with an M. Somebody help me out. Somebody I went to high school with. Anybody want to tell me? Miss? I don't remember her name. But anyway, okay, so it actually didn't happen in high school. It happened that morning. I think I was putting my contacts in that morning. Probably people remember me in high school wearing glasses because I feel like I never wore my contacts like ever. And I feel like this was one of my reasons why. So I had an eyelash on the white of my eye and I decided to, I'm literally like getting wobbly thinking about this. I decided to try to pick it off like this. And I know nothing about the eyeball. Like I don't know anything about the eyeball. I'm not like an ophthalmologist. I don't know about eyeballs. But apparently there is a layer on the white and it literally came up. Oh God, like when I think about it, I want to throw up. I literally want to throw up. And it came up and it went back down as like old skin. Like, you know, like when you pull up like your skin and it goes down slow when like you don't have good circulation or like you're a little bit older. It went down like that, like slow. And I was like, oh my God, I just literally like peeled my eyeball off my eyeball. Like, I don't know anything about the layers. All I know is that I peeled one up and I just kind of like let it go. And I was like, okay, guess I'm wearing my glasses today. And I remember being in that math class. I feel like it must have been like the first period or something like that. And all I can think about was the layer I pulled up of my eyeball. So I don't know. That's all I remember from that math class was thinking about earlier that morning peeling my eyeball. So eyeballs like freak me out. Like my glasses just fell. Literally freak me out. But I've actually done a wedding before where the girl couldn't get contacts in, and like I went in the bathroom and I was like, let's get this contact in your eye, and I was like trying to do it for her. So it's weird. Like if I think about like surgically eyeballs, I will get wobbly knees. But if I think about like doing makeup or something like that, like I'm fine. It's very strange, but like that's my story. So I thought I'd come on and share it. I hope I didn't just give everybody else irrational eyeball fears, but that's my story. So rewatch that video and look at how shiny my upper lip is. It's the weirdest thing ever. Oh, also wanted to say today I trimmed my brows and I also like plucked a few hairs that were just like totally out of control. And it took me like 2 seconds to color in my brows today because they weren't like completely unruly. So keep on top of those brows, guys. If you guys want an easier time of doing your brows, just maintain them. I'm really pretending I'm giving you guys advice, but I'm really just giving myself advice. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. For realsies now. Bye. Love you.